What's up guys, this is Aftab and you are watching iGadget Advisor, and you can see this is my Redmi Note 5 Pro and it's all messed up. My camera glass lens is broken, I have so many dents on my phone and so on. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and change the back panel of the Redmi Note 5 Pro. So without any further delay, let's dig right into this. So this is a very special parcel that I have received today, and this is from Aliexpress, and yes, I have personally purchased it. So this is not any kind of a sponsor video or anything paid advertisement or something like that. So I'll go and quickly unbox the parcel and I'll show you the new back panel from Redmi Note 5 Pro. And this is not the one in gold, this is the one in black. So I'll have a white front and a black back panel with a golden SIM tray and a golden fingerprint scanner. So I know I'm trying to be a bit fishy about the unboxing, but finally the wrapper is off. And so really, AliExpress is a really nice website if you want to buy spare parts for your phone. Now I wasn't able to get the back panel, as I said, for my Redmi Note 5 Pro on Amazon or Flipkart. So I just went on AliExpress and I ordered this. So you can see this is the back panel in the matte black color. I really like the black one, but still I love the white front and a black back. So this is how it looks. It's really brand new, and it took only 15 days for this product to reach from China, Shenzhen, to India. So you can see it has that glass camera lens. So now I can go ahead and easily change the back panel of my Redmi Note 5 Pro. It doesn't come with a SIM card tray. It only comes with the camera glass lens and the entire back panel, of course. So you need this tool to go ahead and actually remove the back panel from the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Now this takes a bit of a time, but you need to learn how to do this. So you can see I have finally uninstalled the previous one and I'm currently installing this black back panel for the Redmi Note 5 Pro. It's not that tough, but once you're able to get rid of the back panel, you can easily attach it to the phone. So there are some different kind of clicks that you can hear. So once there are total 6 to 7 clicks, so if you hear that, it means that your fit is done. So it takes, I mean, just around 5 minutes for you to go ahead and change the entire back panel. But once it's done, you can see this looks like really cool. I mean, I have a black back with a golden fingerprint scanner, and on the front I have a white display. So this looks really cool, and I really love that. This is that kind of a panda look to the phone with the black and white combination. So yeah, it looks really nice. So even if you have a white colored Redmi Note 5 Pro, and if you want a lake blue kind of back, I'll leave the link in the description below so that you can purchase it online. So the price of this is around 1200 including shipping, or even maybe a bit less than that. So I'll show you my previous the back panel of the Redmi Note 5 Pro. This is the one that I had. Now I'll just go ahead and So that's all for this video guys. I hope you like the video. So if you like the video, do rate this video up, comment down in the comment section, do subscribe. Thank you for watching.